On occasion, you might find that your hoop template and where your design actually starts stitching is not calibrated. On the BERNINA 570, we're working through all the different things that you can do on the embroidery side, and I want to show you how you can calibrate the hoop to the machine. So everything is lined up, and your center is actually the center that shows right here on this template. So this template came with your machine, these little kind of clips slid in, and then they're sitting just right here on the sides, and there's a little notch right up here where it kind of will hold its place. This is what you use when you're trying to get something in here so it's not hooped crooked, and you can double check that you will be spot on. I do this when I'm working on like garments. You definitely don't want to be wearing something and then have the baseline kind of tilted. So if for any reason this is not located where we need to be, you don't have to take your machine in. You can do it all yourself. So start by going in to the startup of the machine and touch the home button. This is something we do in the settings. So this is where we're going to go for settings. And we have a whole bunch of things in the embroidery area indicated by a picture of a hoop. So this particular calibration is done where the hoop has a little plus in the center. As we touch it, it's going to ask for the hoop. So go ahead and put your oval hoop on and then touch the check mark to let it find that hoop and know which one we're using. So with this template in, tip your needle down in through it. I can see I'm a little bit to the side, so I can go ahead and move it to be more centered to the template. And I just touched it just a tap one way, and then when I touch the green check mark, that is going to set it for where I know this is going to be. So just to help you out in the future, calibrating your embroidery hoop is actually super easy. And then check out all the options that you can turn on and turn off in the settings of the embroidery area. Once you're done, touch the X in the top, go back to embroidery, and you'll see you can start up wherever you left off.